Hello, and welcome to Module 2, Document Accessibility. My name is Hannah DeBoard, and I'll be guiding you through this overview of document accessibility. As a quick outline of what we'll be talking about in this module, we'll go over the duties that you'll have as an accessibility assistant, a little bit about document accessibility, why it's important, and some notes about that, and we'll also chat about some guiding principles that underlie all of our accessibility endeavors. Your duties as an accessibility assistant start with receiving files and reading through the syllabi when it's applicable. Some documents will be sort of a standalone depending on the class, but most commonly you will be assigned a course for the semester. Professors may upload weekly or they may upload everything at the beginning, depending on their preparation levels, but it's your responsibility to ensure that the accessible materials are available for students the week that they need to be available. Generally, this means remediating documents the week before they need to be available based on the syllabus and turning them into your graduate accessibility assistant before the weekend. It'll be discussed in the meetings, but Thursday will likely be the due date for documents each week. In making sure that you're remediating documents in a timely manner, communicating with your graduate accessibility assistant will be really important. And if you're proactive in knowing times that you might be busy or you'll be unavailable, either working ahead on your documents or communicating with your graduate accessibility assistant about periods of unavailability will be very important because we have to make sure students are supplied accessible course materials on time. Your final duty as an accessibility assistant is to join our STARS team monthly meetings. They're a super fun way to connect with the rest of the team and learn some new skills, as well as meeting special guests. In the past, we've had visits from Handsome Dan and members of other teams at Yale that are doing important work in regards to accessibility. Additionally, the first and last meetings of each semester will be in person and have free food, so be sure to join those. If you're unable to make a meeting time in person, we will always be available on Zoom. If you're unable to make a time due to classes or other engagements, we can send you a recording link. Be sure, however, to message your graduate accessibility assistant or your accessibility assistant support roles if you need a link to the recording. So, document accessibility covers a large array of topics, but the basic principles include having appropriate heading structure, good alternative text, appropriate OCR and PDF tags, and accessible math equations when applicable. We'll chat in the next few modules about how to accomplish this, and there will be plenty of chances to practice making documents accessible. The ultimate goal of the STARS team is to make all documents available to be read by screen readers and text-to-speech operations so that students with visual impairments or learning disabilities can access the material and have the same opportunities as other students. You will encounter a large range of documents from problem sets to presentations, but by the end of this training, you should feel comfortable with navigating all of these. And if you ever need help, just reach out to your accessibility assistant support roles, your GAAs, or the Slack remediation methods channel. The Assistive Technologies branch of Student Accessibility Services follows the guiding principles set by the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. While following these guidelines, we use the resources provided by the team as well as Adobe Help Sheets and other online resources, and staying involved with the team as well, to ensure that we are all kept in the loop and are prepared to handle any documents or troubleshooting that may come. The motto of Student Accessibility Services is, "Make it accessible, make it better," and that is our utmost goal in the STARS team. Thank you for watching. You're halfway through training, and we're so excited for you to get started with our team. You're going to do a great job.